Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1967 Mustang Fastback. This one here has a 289 under the hood. We do have a power steering issue. It is going to be addressed and fixed, but upon request we're going to go ahead and make the video. We're still waiting on parts, so we're going to go ahead and take her down the road. It's going to have a power steering leak in there. Keep that in mind. That way when we do the undercarriage shots, you see the oil, it's coming from that. I do have close to 100 detailed pictures of this ride at maplemotors.com. I can get you financed. I can also do shipping. And if you like the music, go ahead and subscribe to Southgate Production. That's my band page here on YouTube. I'm ready though. I don't know how about y'all. I think it's about that time. Let's go for a ride, guys. Checking the car out before we leave the lot here. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think this horn works? It's a little game we like to play. Dash is in great shape. Carpet looks good. Seats are all clean. This thing is sweet. Starts up easy. We're definitely going to the gas station. We're on E right now. We need to get some gas. Blower motor's blowing heat on my legs right now. Show you the mileage. Let's see here. Got our oil pressure gauges up, alternator gauges up, temperature gauge is coming up. This old radio here, I wonder if it's actually going to cut on. I don't believe that's going to work. We'll leave it on for a second. Maybe it'll pop on. Cool. Let's try that horn. You ready? I was going to bet this one would work. Wipers? They do. Okay, let's hit the road, see how she drives. Getting ready to take off here. Car sounds great. She's warm now. Go. The power steering's working good, but it does have a pretty good leak under there. I've been waiting to do this video because of that, but it hasn't came in, and I need to go ahead and get this out. Got people waiting, but do keep that in mind. I'll probably have to get under there and clean the power steering fluid off. Anything that I see, I will let you know what's wrong. That's why I do these videos. And I was going to go to the gas station, but it seems like as soon as I took off, the gas gauge came up to half a tank. We'll keep our eye on it. Hopefully this traffic will die down. All right. Is not working on this one. Check these brakes out. Brakes are great, they feel good. Steering's tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. They didn't hook the kick down cable up. Straight as an arrow down the road. Turn signals are popping up on both sides of the dash there. Suspension's pretty smooth. Try the mirror out over here. It still works. That thing's pretty smooth too. Sounds like it's coming from the church parking lot here. We'll get some outside footage. Also get some undercarriage footage. And we'll continue from there. You can look below in the description to see what I use to make these videos. Hear the squeaking? I think that's coming from the suspension in the front. All right, let's get these shots. Squeaky. Check this out. Look at that squeaky there. Okay, we're going to head on back to the car lot now. Suspension's pretty squeaky up front. It's nice and smooth, but definitely noisy. Pretty interested to see what's making all that noise. Maybe some bushings or something. I'm trying to beat the rain. I just got a notification on my phone. It's gonna rain in 5 minutes and I don't want this car out. I'm gonna try to get back. Running and driving car too. I was planning on kind of getting on it and filling it out through here, and then now this cop's following me everywhere. Rain's coming. Literally around the corner from the car lot. So far, I think the only thing that I would have to say is it's a little squeaky. Everything else running and driving good. Probably need to set up the speedometer cable. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be looking for the walk around video that we're gonna have. I'm gonna put it out as well. That way you know everything about this car. And of course we're gonna have that power steering fixed. Just waiting on the parts, so. All right, let's get this walk around video done. Thanks for riding with me, guys.